If you'd like to generate a QR code, it's not a difficult thing to do. There are quite a number of free QR code generators out there. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to generate a QR code using Canva's free and easy QR code generator. A lot of people already use Canva. Canva is that popular graphics editor. If you already use Canva or you'd like to use Canva, signing up is free. And while there are premium plans that give you advanced features, the QR code generator is part of the free package. So let's get to it. You have to go to canva.com/QR-code-generator/. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Canva's free and easy QR code generator reach new clients with a free QR code from Canva's QR code generator, ideal for marketing materials and business cards. Create well-designed QR codes in a few clicks. There's a button here that says generate a QR code. It's also here. So when you click on it, this is what you get. It says here, generate a QR code in seconds. Add a URL and we'll create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. I select use a new design. Custom size. Any size you want is fine, really. So in this top left corner, add a URL and we'll create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. I had already copied the URL of one of my websites, so I paste it in there. There's an option to customize. You can choose a background color, foreground color, margin, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then I click that button that says generate code. And that's my QR code. So what next? Share. I can download it. And because Canva is available on mobile, here it is also on my phone. And I can also download it here. Save. Let's find out if it actually works. I'm going to scan it. There you go. And you can see the URL here, mobilityarena.com. I tap it. And there you go. Of course, now I can share this QR code via email, via WhatsApp, post on social media, put it on a website. Anywhere it goes, anyone can scan it in order to access my website. That's how easy it is to create a QR code. Should you want to use any of the other available free QR code generator, run a search in your favorite search engine and you will see results. QR code generator 100% free, best free QR code generator, unlimited free QR codes. There are so many of them that offer you the ability to create QR codes. Some are easier than others. Play around, see what you like. So in this case, this one is QR-code-generator.com. Get started for free. It's likely going to require you to sign in to create an account. Yes, this one is free for 14 days. Play around. You'll never know what you'll find. If you try one, you don't like it, try the other. Let's look at this one. QR-code.io is the web address. This one allows you to create a QR code for multiple types of uses. A website, PDF, list of links, vCard, business, video, images, all sorts. Let's get to it. Select a type of QR code on the left. Let's try list of links. Add content to your QR code. The page isn't responding. Okay. Add content to your QR code. Title, I'll just say the mobility blogs. the mobility blogs. So save. Okay, so the first one, link mobilityarena.com, the link, paste, add link. You can also add an image for that link. The next one, mobility ng, add link. So I have added 2 links. I click next here, code corners. This actually allows some fair level of customization. Is there a frame for the code? Scan me. Interesting. Scan me. I like this. What else can I change? QR code pattern. So it allows you to create different patterns. Anyway, I think I'm done. Create. So I click create there. My code is ready. So when you scan the QR code, this is what you get. Title, the mobility blogs, and then there's Mobility Arena, and then there's Mobility NG. And you can tap on that to go to Mobility NG. And you can tap on this to go to Mobility Arena. So my QR code works fine. So I have to recommend any free QR code generators for you to start with. Definitely, I love how Canva works. Canva's free QR code generator is simple, straightforward. Don't forget though that it works primarily on the desktop. So you need either a laptop or a desktop PC. I have tried to use it on the phone. I have not found out how to do that yet. Perhaps there's a way to do it, but I have clicked the link on the phone and it just opens the app without taking me to the QR code generator interface. So Canva's QR code generator works fine. The other one that I will recommend, and I'm recommending it because of its versatility, it allows you to customize a whole lot more and play around with options. It's qrcode.io. Again, the links to both will be in the description of this video. Try these 2 out. I am almost sure that you will find either of them comfortable to use. And if you don't, then get on your search engine and look for alternatives. There are lots of free QR code generators out there that you can put to use. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like this video, follow my channel, turn on your notifications. I have lots more useful things coming your way.